Hello everybody, ako ang iyong kapitan. What's going on? My name is Captain Shades. Itong video na napapanood nyo ngayon is the Game 5 of the Dave Patrick Dulay versus Kuting match. Race to 3 ito at 2-all na nga ang score natin. Dahil rumesback si Master Kuting sa Game 4. Ito yung laban nila sa Game 4 by the way. Kitang-kita, lamang si Kuting dito. Rook C1, Kuting. C6 si Patrick at sumagot naman ng A3 si Kuting at sinundan naman ni Patrick ng A5. H4, labang si Kuting sa laban na ito material and position wise. Patrick takes the pawn, pawn takes, Queen E7, tapos nag B5, Rook B6, G3 itong si Kuting, Rook B8 Patrick, and then Queen D3, and then Patrick goes to Queen E8 dahil he probably wanted to take the pawn later on. At eto na nga, Rook takes pawn, which is a blunder dahil may Rook C8 si Kuting and a chance of a queenless. But Patrick just resigned, 2-all. At ang sarap ng ngiti ni Master Kuting, oh. May side bet pang inabot doon, oh. Nakita nyo yun? Kaya tabla ng score, 2-all. And so, diretso na nga tayo dito sa Game 5. Ito na, the final game of this race to 3 game, 2-all ang score. Patrick starting off with E4, tapos C6 naman si Kuting, D4, and then nag D5 naman si Master Kuting, Knight C3, Knight F6, aba, tapos E5, at si Master Kuting, Knight G8 umatras. Ano nga bang tawag dito sa laban na ito? According to the computer engine, ni-research natin mga kaibigan, this is what they call the Caro-Can Campomanes attack. Probably referring to FIDE president back in the day, Florencio Campomanes, who happens to be a Filipino. Alright, matagal na panahon na nag-presidente to sa FIDE. Tignan nga natin itong Caro-Can Campomanes attack ni Master Kuting kontra sa atake ni Dave Patrick Dulay dito sa Game 5. Here we go. So there you go mga kaibigan. Game over! Dave Patrick Dulay winning over Master Kuting. 3-2 ang score. Aba dapat ulitin natin ito. Watch out for the rematch. Congratulations to Master Kuting for a great game. At syempre, more congratulations naman sa ating winner na si Dave Patrick Dulay. What a game! Congratulations! Until next time, right here on Captain Shade's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.